welcome back to the channel. So today I have made another project here, as you're able to see, which is a keypad control car. So the car can be controlled with the help of this keypad here. So I'm going to show you my project. So let's start. So as you're able to see, I am having my keypad here, and when I'll press 1, it will move forward as per the program. When I'll press 2, it will move backward. 3, turn right. 4, it will turn left. And 5, it will stop. I'm showing it to you again. So this is how it works.